I was gonna
That's
say,
cool.
I was gonna say, I thought your stream died, but you're at least still here. Or at least, well, maybe you died as well.
I mean, I was dying, but I didn't.
Good one, man.
Should be back up, everybody. Sorry about that. You missed me complaining. I know you're probably thinking, "Wow, man, I can't believe I missed that."
That's not the. You know what? I'm gonna use this again because clearly that's not how the wall works. It's crazy because this actually registers it as a wall. Use the graphic, not registered as a wall. Chill on. This all of a sudden has become just the most ridiculous set of things to happen. I'm phasing through platform literally on stream.
I'm not risking anything here. Oh, it was right there. That is a big dragon. Hey, you missed the flagpole there.
Yeah. I say, what if you accidentally touch it? Like, there's no physical way to
May need to refresh because it's showing that I'm live. Like I'm not seeing any issues on stream side. Though I just got the notification on my phone, so maybe it is some weird Twitch thing.
You end up getting the second one though?
Yes, I did. Sorry, I realized you were trying to distract me from my dragon ride. It didn't work.
I'm a bit frustrated by the coin, not because of the placement of the coin, because I think it was very cool. Sorry, I had to focus for a second. I almost just got myself killed. But because of the fact that when we were playing the first time, I actually went up there and it did not let me up there.
I was gonna say,
No.
you were like inches away from it.
Well, I was on top of it for sure.
I thought you had just like given up after seeing me go down the pipe, and we're just
Well,
like...
yeah, because I was up there and it was nothing, so I didn't do anything.
Mm-hmm. We avoid that, right?
Yeah.
Here we go! It's peach time!
Just letting you know, it's peach time.
Oh.
It only makes sense, Ego.
Thank goodness I dropped it peacefully. Such that it wouldn't break anything. It'd be a tragedy if freaking broke something. It'd be a tragedy if any of these had water in them. This stage is not good. It would be if these had consistency.
Huh?
such a cool mechanic.
It doesn't make you less sad. That's fair.
Thank you. La-la. Oh, yay!
That is everything.
GG's.
GG's. Pretty sure, right? Airship doesn't have flag. Castle doesn't have flag. Yeah. I need to go back because I'm not sure if I gave you the win for the castle.
I love this game. It just makes up what direction it wants me to go. Just to drop off this thing, I had to press 3 times to drop off of it, and then after I dropped off, it just flung me to the left.
I really don't understand those bars.
Horrid controls. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm pressing down! How do I get help? Help! Is there like what? How do you get off of it?
I don't know. I feel like it's the least consistent mechanic.
Yeah, down, 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 down.
Okay.
Okay, actually, how do you get this? Like, it's not even like... I could use this. Yeah, I didn't know how to get this. Like, I don't even know.
Dragon only topped by piranha plants on parade. Did you see piranha plants on parade too?
The 15th time's the charm.
There's a second one. There is. I may have time to do a run through of it.
What am I supposed to do to get this?
You can kick that top thing at it.
Huh?
You can kick the robot. And it'll, like, kicking it into the coin activates the coin.
Okay, but...
Yeah. I thought it's a kick for this.
Camera? This coin is so... I can't believe you got this. This coin is impossible.
Let's get it.
I threw it.
You throw that one. Like if you get there quick enough, you can hit it before it flies over the gap, and then you throw it, and the arc of it hits.
From the right?
Yeah, like you're throwing it from the right to the left.
This is definitely the hardest point in the game we've had so far. Like, it's not even close. I like how this just chooses, like, when to move the camera for you. Like, it doesn't, it's not consistent every time. You got, like, a freaking 3-second head start that one time. I mean, you ended up dying, but still.
Yeah. Well,
As I'm replaying level, I'm noticing it.
like, the other
Shoot.
big luck thing there was I had died before that, and so I got, like, ahead skipping a gap by reviving off of you at that spot.
Yeah.
There you go. I so thought we would have needed to carry one of these, like, all the way to the end of the level.
Just freaking grab it. Just grab it! I just don't get why this mechanic is so bad. These things better not show up so someone else will freak out.
It's crazy because sometimes it feels like you need to hold up to actually activate them, and sometimes it's just like, oh, you could just, like, it'll just connect.
Yeah. Just need to know.
That was kind of rude. You just murdered him.
You can murder them by spin jumping too, I feel that.
Can you?
Yeah, I did that earlier on like first.
This might be the first time another game has had a Super Mario World spin.
How about New Super Mario Brothers Wii?
Well, like, it has the spin, but I don't think it has the spin functionality of, like, it being able to kill unkillables. Or, like, enemies don't just poof away. I guess that was probably only Super Mario World.
What the? I hate this level. I hate this level. I don't even know what to do. Because I have 4 lives. Like, who knows how much? I was literally pulling it further when I was pulling it the other direction.
These buttons are so janky. I don't get the buttons because sometimes you know, sometimes it requires you to jump directly on top of it. I think like the first time we hit it, it registered a jump from the side of it as hitting it. I really don't get it.
I guess the levels weren't meant to be raced. True. Okay.
Alright. This is another blue, or diamond, whatever the third set. Oh, this is Jet Run again. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's hard to hit that. I did not read that. Get off the wall, dude! I forgot it had the delayed jump.
Freaking stupid. What a way to waste that.
Dude, I can't believe
I knew the mechanic and then I messed it up. My brain is in like 100%. As if I needed to get that.
Mm-hmm. Dude, I was worried. I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to redo this. I guess since we already finished the 100% for this
No,
area.
we're not gonna do it again.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, I don't know why I went back for it. I didn't even get it, by the way.
Oh, you did?
No, because I realized that, I don't know, I'm doing every single thing today. I've been ahead of you every level. We can just go back in and get it.
Yeah. Dang, we've got more? This is crazy.
I think there's a few more levels. Going to the map.
Oh,
I just
yeah, I
can't believe I
guess we
screwed
could.
this jump up. I don't know.
It was definitely a weird jump from my brain.
Well, I followed the coins, but I didn't make it the first time. So I just freaking spent 40 years trying to figure out what was going on, and then I freaking made it. And that started the downfall.
I was thinking this was gonna be the third coin, was the bottom pipe, like some bonus area.
thought to go in. Did you get the other one?
I did, yeah.
Oh, okay. You were talking as if you didn't get it. Well,
No, I did. It's just like I was tempted to. It was close to where I wouldn't have gone in, but alright. Invisibility 2. Oh my god, dude. Hey, I can only see your name tag, but no cheating on this start.
dude, I don't even know where I am. Of course, the game is stupid.
Oh!
Know where I am better than I do.
Dang it. Man,
Oh
I-
gosh, dude.
I was thinking like, I need to get up there, and then you processed quicker that it wasn't worth it. Alright, going back in. That's definitely the challenge run badge.
I'll be like, it's crazy that you can't get noticed by enemies, and there were no enemies in this level to test out the ability.
It's definitely a thing of, oh, you can't get noticed by yourself. Alright. Hey, how
Sorry,
about...
man.
Did you get this first one?
Yeah. Because I'm stupid!
I'm right here.
I don't know if I'm gonna be, yeah.
Oh. Was the platform not there for you?
Yeah, it's too far right. I should have at least hit you, but you know, I'm not good enough.
Oh, I guess Lakitu was here. This looks kind of funny.
You need life? Holy crap. I like can't tell where I am.
I did the same thing. I would have thought you'd have to jump out. Looks like we mastered a new bet. Hey, Blizzard, want to equip that one?
I love how it has to ask us every single time, even after we come back to the level for the second time.
Mm-hmm. Spring Feet 2. Did we get this one before?
Yes.
Oh, okay, this one. I thought it was a different one based off the picture.
Isn't it crazy how 90% of these are never the difficulty they say they are? I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Sorry, Cool. Congratulations on doing the same exact thing as me, but further. Awesome. surely it's possible. Huh? Crazy that we both just. I love that.
Yeah, it like expects full momentum into these, which is
I mean, I know.
crazy.
I did the first time. There was absolutely nothing that we did there. And
I-
you just made.
I hesitated because I wasn't close enough to the edge on like
Now
on
this,
my
I
first
would have screwed
approach.
up on. You did this so much. Like this is like impossible.
That one I felt like I was lucky on. The last one's difficult.
I think that's bigger. Found all the wonder seeds. There surely is something to do that.
That's probably the secret world? Yeah. Special world. I keep saying secret world. Two different things. Deep Magma Bog Special. Solar Roller.
Let's go.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me? That missed?
Good luck.
Woohoo.
Since when is the jump just that big? That's crazy to me.
I knew that it wasn't just gonna be like you dying there had made no sense. I was like, I'm just gonna die. And it was almost exactly what I
Good
am
luck.
unsurprised I died. Don't worry, you did the exact same thing. You thought you touched it.
Yeah. That was just like the main thought was that's where to go.
It's literally called Solar Roller. I just.
Oh. Okay. I was not. That still didn't register to me.
I'm not really sure how you're
Good luck.
supposed to be able to do that. But.
Excuse me?
Good luck.
Whoa!
Dang, wow.
Go, go, let's go! Go, go, go! Go, go, let's go!
Oh, okay. Thanks, game.
Good luck.
GG. Ending off the night with a win. I will take it. That was my favorite special world by far.
Go, go, let's go! Go, go, go!
That's a horrible place for it. Okay. Seems to be a trend of a lot of Special World being trial and error.
I kind of agree. I feel like this was the only time where I felt like it was mostly readable, but it still had that one vertical section.
I feel like the
Also, I don't know how you're supposed to get the last one, like, without dying.
Yaru.
I feel like the bounce ones that were like on the spikes was the most readable to me. The World 1 special.
The World 1 special was the Piranha Plant thing? No, that was this.
No, yeah, top left. No, never mind, the top middle. That one.
No sir.
Yeah, I felt like that was super readable because I nearly first tried that.
That one sucks. That was one of the worst levels in the game.
That one wasn't that bad to me. Which one was this one? Climb to the beat. Yeah, that, I mean, that one's readable, but like, that was probably still one of the tougher ones.
I don't know how it's possible without dying. Like, get all the coins.
I don't know, I did it.
You did not get all of the coins without dying.
Without
You died
dying.
like 40 times.
Yeah, but, okay, so coin 2 I think was the only one I like
Like, it keeps
died
your coin.
getting. Yeah. But coin 2 was the only one I didn't get. And like living through that section. Coins 1 and 3 I got and lived through that section and died in a later section. Or like coin
I
3.
believe you did over 3. Like, there's no freaking.
Coin 3 I only got to the dragons once.
I don't know what the dragons are, but nice. Alright, that is done.
That is
Your way to
done.
go.
I'm pretty sure I actually didn't check to see if I had the check mark for the world. I do. Okay.
Definitely the best world, in my opinion.
It has been really good. That and World 2, I think are my top 2 right now.
World 2 was alright. It felt a little boring at points. I don't know. Well, I enjoyed World 1 a lot.
World 1 was really good.
It actually was it's definitely the most diverse world I've.
My only problem with World 1 was that like 90% of it was just hold right.
This is weird racing.
Yeah, but like the other worlds still had like diversity on like where you're going, what you're doing. where World 1 was very like, this is a straight line with some obstacles because it's World 1. It's a World 1. That's World 1's gonna be simpler. I'm not.
I don't
You
know.
know-
Theming is important to me, and that's what made it be different. But yeah, next time, Sun-Baked Desert.
Sun-baked desert. Okay. Hold on, I'm getting up there. I don't think I gave you the win on that one. There we go. Final totals 52 to 44.
Terrible session.
Gained quite the lead. 11 to 6 on a like counted levels. I think there were just 2, I guess 3 technically that weren't part of that. And I
Using
think
airships, this suck.
airships are definitely it. There were this past world had a lot of auto scrollers.
Yeah,
But
but
they
they're
were-
at least like raceable and stuff like that.
Yeah, they
Airships
were
is
like not
I
bad.
enter it like 0.1 seconds after you, and if neither of us die, I lose.
Mm-hmm. I try and so like with the countdown, I do try and delay myself.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's inevitable. It's just that airships are weird. I just don't
Mhm.
like them.
I am thankful I understood a mechanic of the airship that you didn't, and I'm keeping that lore to myself.
Huh?
I'm there was some lore to the airship that you did not figure out.
Right.
And I'll leave it at that.
Sounds good.
But yeah, fun world. I enjoyed it. Are we done for the night?
Yeah. Yeah. We're done.
Okay.
We can hang out, but I think I'm
For
pretty
stream.
okay with that. Yeah.
Okay. It means you already know, guys. Off-stream anime quizzes.
Great, sir.
All right. Everybody, thank you for watching.
All right, real quick. Hold on. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Tag, you're it.
What are you gonna do? Run in a straight line, huh?
I don't think really. It's really.
Tag.
Oh wait, we're super desynced then.
Oh, were we?
Dude, holy crap! That difference is insane. I was waiting for you to run up to me. Bro, you just confused the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. I don't even see your character anymore. Oh, it's okay. Dude. Alright, I got you. I got you on my screen.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah. That's it. It's too desync. That's it. The first time I was waiting for you because I was gonna do some like special world like loop to make it actually interesting, but it does. We're so desynced that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when you were trying to catch up to me, I was like, every time you ran a couple levels up, I would teleport to you, which put me a couple levels below you, and then I'd just run the other way.
Yeah, I was watching. I'm just only able to watch the VOD to see what you're doing. So I was like I'm like already 8 seconds behind or so.
Oh, you weren't like just going off of like my player shadow?
Well, once it gets so small, it's hard to see. And
Oh,
the thing is,
okay.
you would run up to Pipe Rock Plateau and then use the pause button. And I looked, I was like, wait, did he go? And I'm like looking around, I'm like, I don't see him. And I like went over and I was about to press A, and then your freaking thing showed up on the right side of the screen. I was like, holy crap.
Oh, that was good. Alright, everybody.
Now we're done.
Yeah. I will be back tomorrow with some Remnant 2. We are playing through New Game Plus now on Nightmare difficulty. I was about to say Apocalypse, but that's my solo playthrough is on the hardest difficulty. And doing well. I'm doing amazing at that right now. But that has not been on stream yet. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow night, maybe, if you show up. Have a good night, everybody. And 3 minutes ads. Night Vay, thank you.